When the dog bites, when the bee stings, when I'm feeling sad, I simply remember my favorite things and I don't.
Building Legos with my dad. Need some water now, since you just ate that whole candy cane? All right. Where are you going? Okay.
Mamma mia.
Mamma mia.
Is Mario gonna be here?
I think so.
Please look.
See a couple Goombas.
Puppies.
Are you ready?
Can I sit over here?
Yeah, you're going to sit over there. Okay. Here we go. You ready? What is up? I am Sean with 8-Bit, and today we have...
and my daddy.
All right. A new day, a new video, some candy canes. It's Christmas break, so we're working through there. So last time we did 15-16, made this cool belt drive thing. All these pieces was really cool. All the previous ones before that, we've been working on the TV a lot, and we finished the Nintendo base. So we are going to try to do bags 17 and 18 today. They're tiny. They're small bags, but there is just a million little one block pieces in here that are going to take a little while. So, are you ready? You sure? Candy cane done. You got your water. You good to go? All right, let's do it. You think? I'm gonna look like Mario level. Bag 17 done, starting to come together. It's like a Mario level.
I'll see right close to that.
Very cool. All right, what are we doing now? What's this? Did you already turn the page? Okay. Bag 18. You ready?
Yeah.
You gonna keep going?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, we are done. Bag 18. Woo-wee. This was really tough, wasn't it? Super tough. There's there's just a ton of little tiny blocks in there. So super tough to do. So good job. Fingers hurt. We're going to take a break now.
Yeah.
Whew. And then
19.
get everything charged up, ready to go. And we were going to probably come back and do bag 19. So you want to say bye?
Bye.
Hey, get over here. Where are you going?
Bye.
See you later.